Okay, so we need to find the volume of a 3D trapezoid. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to look at what they have here. Okay, so this is a trapezoid that they will be looking at. And it says a trapezoid is a plane figure with one pair of parallel sides. That's right. So the parallel sides would be the legs, right? So this is this leg and this leg, right? So we know that just by looking at the trapezoid, your base is a trapezoid, right? And this is in fact a trapezoid prism or trapezoidal prism, depending on which one you prefer. And then it says, yeah, so we have a trapezium base. And let's see, the volume of a 3D trapezoid is obtained by multiplying the area of a trapezium base with the height of the trapezium. Multiplying the area with the height. That's true. And the reason for that is because anytime you're dealing with volume, you would have to take the area of your base, right? It's very similar to a cylinder, if you think about it. Because in a cylinder, when you're trying to multiply, when you're trying to find the volume of a cylinder, right? You can compare this with a cylinder. You're basically taking the area, right? And then you're multiplying that to the height. That's why it's pi r squared h. Because the area is going to be part of the volume, right? So you have to multiply that to the volume. And even for like a rectangular prism, right? If you think about it, it's length times width. So that's the area of your base. And then you multiply that to the height, right? So same thing here. So as you can see, they're taking the area of the trapezium base. So this is 1 over 2 times c plus b. So when they're referring to c plus b, it's basically the two legs, right? Because we take the average, right? So this and this divided by 2, then you multiply that to the height. So that's the area of your base. And then all you have to do is you multiply that to your actual height, which is coming from the prism, not the height of your trapezoid. But on top of that, just remember that for the area of your trapezoid, there is a height which is coming from the trapezoid. So this is the trapezoid's height. And then for the volume, you need to multiply that to the height based from the rectangle, which is forming the prism. So there is a difference between the two h's. It's not just because they're both h, it means it's the same height. No, it's different. Okay, great. I have nothing to correct. It's a perfect explanation. So